Your dishwasher might look a little different than this one, but don't worry, the tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Dishwasher won't start? There's probably a simple solution. Here are our top tips to get your dishwasher running. If your dishwasher was just installed, check that the water supply and circuit breaker were turned back on. Make sure you're starting it correctly. Select your cycle and options. Press Start and close the door quickly. You may hear a tone indicating that it started. The cycle may not have been set correctly. Try resetting it. See if Delay Start or Child Lock has been activated. The door may not be completely closed, or it wasn't closed quickly enough after pressing Start. Finally, if you open the door during the cycle, you must press Start again before closing the door to resume the cycle. That should do it! Now you know how to get your dishwasher to start every time. You've got this!